Philemon here again, and this is Skill Dummy, where we turn data into decisions. In this video, I am going to teach you how to successfully insert list of tables in your documents. This is just in 1 minute. You can easily get this done. Now, the list of tables provides a structured, quick reference guide to the tables in the document. Okay, that is one important thing about list of tables. It also gives you an organized overview of your work that you are working on. It also presents your document in a more professional way. So it is always important to have list of tables in your work so that it's easier for people to reference to it. If this is the first time of visiting this channel, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our pages so that the next content we drop, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay. All right, so let's say you have these documents that you have tables in there that you would want to give the tables a name, then you'll be able to list them under the list of tables. So to have the names, the list of tables, first you would have to identify the tables and you give them a name, okay, so that they can easily call those names when you need them. So what you have to do is that, for instance, this is the table that we have. What you have to do is that ensure that you are on the reference tab in your documents. Ensure that you are on the reference tab. So click on the reference tab. Then you see insert caption here, right? So click on the insert caption. Now you realize that the caption name is figure 1, but it is not figure that we want. It is table that we want. So you come to the label here. Then you click on the drop down arrow. Then you select table. So now we have table 1. All that you have to do is to come and make it okay, right? So you have table 1. Then you give it the name. So let's say this is table 1 and this one is demography, or this is the age, okay, and gender. I mean, you can give it any name that you want, age and gender, as simple as this. Now, if you do not want your table to appear like this, or in case you insert your table and it does not appear the way it is appearing, you would have to go to the home. Okay, go to the home. Then you come to this part of your Word document. You click on the drop down arrow. When you click on the drop down arrow, it will send you to the caption. Okay, it will send you to the caption. So right click on the caption and modify it. So if this place is a different color, you can choose the color that you want. You can choose the font size, whether you want to make it bold, italics, the font itself, and everything. You can even decide to change the font name. So you do all your editing and everything over here, then you are good to go. So let's go to the next one. So you realize that it gives this one table 1 because this happens to be the first table we are inserting. We are giving it a name. Then we move on to the next table. So let's say we have another table over here. Okay, we have another table over here. So we still go to the reference. We go to insert caption. Then this becomes table 2. So this one, we'll give this one to a name. So that is going to be educational level, okay, and position, like this. Then we move on to our next table. It's the same thing. Be on the reference tab, come to the insert caption. Then this tells you that it is table 3. So the same thing, then you give it a name. So this is number of years. Okay, or we can make it years of experience. So this becomes the names or the labels for each of the table that you have, Yes. So when you are done with the names, with the labels that you want to give to your table, you go back to where you want to insert your list of tables. So we have the list of table over here, and this is where we want to insert our list of tables. So you come to this place, wherever you want to insert it on your document or in your document. Still be under the reference tab. Then on top of the insert caption here, you see insert table of figures here. Okay, you see insert table of figures here. Just click on it. Now, when you click on it, it will give you the option to select whether it is a figure you want to insert or it's a table. Now, for the purposes of this, you realize that over here, so format, leave the format the way it is from template. Then caption. So if this box, this dialog box, assuming this box happens to be figure that is in there, you can easily change it by making it a table. But lucky for us, it is already a table that we have in there. So you can leave it like that, then go okay. But I want to show you another thing over here. When you look at the tab leader here, you realize that we have some dotted lines over here. You can actually select or choose how your list of tables should appear. Whether you want it to be straight line or you want it to be dotted lines, however you want it to be shown, you can actually do it. Or you don't want anything at all to be shown as the tab leader, you can leave it like that. Okay, when you are done with all the selections, then you go to OK. So it will automatically list all your tables you have in the document. Okay, it will automatically list all your tables you have in your document. Assuming that after doing this, and you still want to add more tables, you can go ahead and add all those tables. When you are done, you right click on this, then you update it. When you right click and you update, it will bring all the other tables you have added to your to your document. And this makes it easier. If you have any question, any comments, do not forget just to comment so that we will always attend to you. In the meantime, I'll meet you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.